Onboarding new employees can be a major challenge, and your current process may be ineffective. If there are no tools in place to measure which new hires are ready, how can they be expected to achieve optimal results? This is where Fuse comes in. You can alleviate the stress of onboarding employees using a Fuse channel with features and capabilities proven to get new employees up to speed with your company's products, services, and processes. In this onboarding channel in Fuse, we have everything in place to create an effective onboarding process. Everything that a new employee needs to know about working with your organization and how your company operates. There's a place to chat with company experts so new hires can get immediate answers to their questions. Training or certification programs, which can automatically be assigned to users based on their job role or other criteria. A place for all types of documentation, marketing collateral, easy-to-use templates, and more. Sales leads and opportunities. Here, salespeople can track and manage their entered or assigned leads. An incentive program based on sales leads and opportunities, as well as training. A video library that can be curated or user-generated content, or both. News articles that are relevant to your company. And a discussion forum to chat with other employees and managers. Fuse brings together all members of your digital ecosystem to conduct business together more effectively. Check out the platform and sign up today at fuse.logicbay.com.